Okay, welcome back, guys. So what we're going to do now is detailing. Okay, detailing with product details. Okay, we're going to detail the drawing we just finished working on. All right, so we go back to Protastructure. I'm going to close this. Close this. Okay, so you go to when you go to concrete design, you click on load product details. Okay, you can find it there. You click yes. It's going to take us to product detail. Number of bars. Okay, product detail is here. Good. So, alright. So we are in product detail now. Okay. So you click on auto generate details. Okay, you click on that. Then it's gonna pop up the settings for you. Okay, it's important to go through the settings one after the other. Alright. Okay. So what we're gonna do now is okay. Let's check this. Show rebars. Of course. Yes. Matte foundation still here. Oh, we forgot to design foundation. Oh no. Let's go back. 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 We're going to design the foundation now. Okay, so you go to story 0. Good. Highlight all of it, all the columns. Right click, and don't forget we've set the soil bearing capacity before in our previous video. So when you right click on this, you now click on insert part base. Insert part base. Typical foundation. Okay. Alright, so here is popping up this for you to input more parameters. What is your footing depth? I'll be using 300. I don't need anything more than that. Surcharge height, you need to find out what is your surcharge height. Okay, surcharge height is simply additional load on the foundation, like your soil load. You're going to do in the backfill, so you can leave that 700. Okay, you can leave it at 700. So surcharge height is simply additional load coming on that. So when you're backfilling, the weight of the soil too, it's important because it's going to be mixed with water. So you can leave that. Soil unit weight, you must have gotten this from your foundation, your soil analysis. Allowable stress of soil, this is nothing more than the soil bearing capacity. Concrete cover for severe exposure, okay, that's 40. You can change that to 50. Alright, so when you're done with this, 12, I'm not using anything more than 12, okay, then you calculate. Good. So I need square footing. I don't need anything less than square footing. I need square footing for everything. Okay? And okay. This was not correct. This is wrong. Okay? Now delete that. This is wrong. Completely wrong. Let's do that again. I click insert part base. Come on, get out. This is the problem. Okay? This is the problem. So you have to choose a singular foundation for everything, which is not correct. Okay, so this is now going to choose based on the load. Just give it some time. It's loading them one after the other. Okay, I think we are good. This is what I'm expecting. Okay, when you put it in typical part base, it's going to use the biggest size of footing and distribute to everything. That is not engineering, that is wrong. So this is the best thing now that I've just done for us. You can see the sizes based on the loading on each of this, which is looking very cool. Alright, from now we can now go back to load Prota detail. Okay, so Prota detail has been loaded. You can see it here. Good. So you click on auto generate details. This will pop up floor 0, floor 1, and floor 2. Okay. So what do you need and what don't you need? You need column dimensions. You need shear wall dimensions. So I need to insert this into a sheet. I want it into a sheet. Everything should be inside a sheet. And I want to be using A3 horizontal. Okay. Okay. Draw on separate. No, not separate file. Okay. What again? Insert quantity table so it can give you the quantity for everything. Okay. Then come to option 2. Show number of bars. I need that. What again do I need? What again do I need? What again do I need? I think every other thing here is good. Every other thing is good. So draw. So when you click on draw, it's going to take you to the page where you just click on the points where you want to draw. So the page is open for you. Anywhere you click, it's going to start drawing from there. So I click here, just give it a little time to do your detailing for you perfectly. And it's going to put them each inside the title block perfectly for you, with your quantity by one side and your design parameter still captured on one side. Okay, this looks fantabulous. This looks excellent. Okay, so you can see our foundation. You can see that looking beautiful. Okay, then you can see the design parameters for the foundation and everything. The same thing here. You can see the quantity of steel bars and the bar bending schedule for the slab reinforcement. You can also see it has printed number of bars for you. So this is very unique, very unique, very unique, very wonderful software. Okay, so this is column. Everything has been designed and placed for you. All you need to do is just make some changes in the name and you print. This is so simple. So tell me you didn't like this. So this is the detailing for each of those foundation again. Each detailing you can see that. Very unique and simple. So when you're done with this, you can decide to print from here, but I like taking my things back to AutoCAD. Okay, so if you want to take it back to AutoCAD, you just come to File, Export. Beautiful. This is what I'm looking for. Export to DWG. You can also export to PDF. You can export as a picture, but export to DWG. Where do you want to take it to? Let's find out. I want you to be kept. Go to my desktop first of all. My desktop, then in my desktop, where are you? Go to CAD.me. Put it there for me. Okay? Name is drawing 1. Don't forget. The version I'm using is DWG 2010, the smallest version. Export. Just a little time. It's loading. You can see it here. It's loading. So if you like this video, I want you to subscribe. Click on the notification bell so you can always get updated. Alright, so you can find draw in 1 here. Okay, so I'm gonna open that. Open this for me. Take this to drawing 1. Open. This is good. This is excellent. You can control the layer just like I've taught you about layer. You can control the layers, maybe the thickness of your lines and whatever, you can do them here. But this was so simple and beautiful. So I believe you've been able to do a simple design like this, you know, and if you have bigger designs, you can bring them. We can deal. This is just for beginners. There are other top designs I have, but I don't need to bring that for beginners. This is what beginners need. Okay, you see how beautiful this looks like. So you can now put drawn by who did the drawing, you put the name. Designed by who did the design, you put the name. Don't forget, the person that draws is different from the person that designs. I'm not saying that same person cannot do both. And when you're done, somebody needs to check your drawing for you. You know, a registered structural engineer needs to check this. Okay, so that is that, and that takes us to the end of this class on Protastructure. You can see your beam, you can see the detailing, everything looking beautiful and wonderful. So see you in our next class, where we're going to be talking about CivilSoft. CivilSoft is another very soft software for structural design. All right, see you. Have a nice day.